Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI with a hands-on look at the Suno AI tool. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this powerful tool can elevate your projects to the next level. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of using Suno AI, and at the end, I'll reveal a stunning design I created using the tool. So, stick around to see how you can unleash your creativity with Suno AI. First, go to Google and search Suno AI. Then you will see the website called Suno.com in the top results. Click on it. The interface of our text-to-song generator website looks like this. We need to register here in order to continue the work. For that, I will register here using the sign-in button below using my Google account. After registering, you will be returned to the home page. Since we are registered here as a free user, we can only generate songs until these 50 credits are used up. 50 credits can generate 10 songs. Next day, again, you will get 50 credits. Anyway, I press the Create button. Then you will be taken to the song generator page. I will explain the things here one by one. Here you can upload a bit of audio with your own voice and create a song with your own voice. And remember to select the 3.5 model. It is their newest model. By turning on this on-off button, you can enable advanced features here. Let's try the simple mode for now. I am typing in the song description to make a song about nature. You see, 2 songs were generated in a very short time. It is that simple. Okay, let's listen to those 2 a little bit.
Trees are swaying slow under skies that glow. Feel the peaceful flow. Nature's calm, we know. Trees are swaying slow under skies that glow. Feel the peaceful flow. Nature's calm, we know.
Not bad, right? But let's use the custom mode of this and see if we can get a good result. I turn on custom mode and simply type nature. After that, I press this Generate Lyrics button. As you can see, the lyrics are given to me in a few seconds. If you are a good songwriter, you can also submit your own lyrics here. And here I am also giving the style that this song should be. Since we are talking about nature here, let's give some suitable style. Everything is complete. Let's click on the Create button and see what the results are.
Sunrise paints the sky gold. Birds sing truths untold. Trees sway in morning's grace. Nature's calm embrace. Rivers bend and they glide. Sunrise paints the sky gold. Birds sing truths untold. Trees sway in morning's grace. Nature's calm embrace. Rivers bend and they glide. Mountains talk. Sunrise paints the sky gold. Birds sing truths untold. Trees sway in morning's grace. Nature's calm embrace. Rivers bend and they glide. Mountains tall, standing wide. Wildflowers bloom so free. Whispers through the trees. Nature. Birds sing truths untold. Trees sway in morning's grace. Nature's calm embrace. Rivers bend and they glide. Mountains tall standing wide. Wildflowers bloom so free. Whispers through the trees. Nature speaks in soft sounds. Heartbeats in the ground. Listen close, feel the pull. Life in full surround.
We have got really better results than before. I am really impressed with this song. As I mentioned earlier, I am using this song for my final work. What I am actually doing is making a music video using this song. There are even AI tools for video editing, but I am using CapCut to complete this project. I'm not a professional editor, but I just wanted to show you one of the benefits of this tool. Anyway, I found video footages for my music video from a website called Pixels. You can also get copyright-free videos, photos through this website. After hours of effort, the final output looked like this.
Sunrise paints the sky gold. Birds sing truths untold. Trees sway in morning's grace. Nature's calm embrace. Rivers bend and they glide. Mountains tall standing wide. Wildflowers bloom so free. Whispers through the trees. Nature speaks in soft sound. Heartbeats in the ground. Listen close, feel the pull. Life in full surround.
So that's all. So I think you might have learned something from this. See you in another tutorial video like this. Have a nice day.